Does your iPhone's charging port seem loose when you plug it in? Do you have to wiggle it around to get it to charge? Some people wrap their charging cord around their phone like this, or they'll elastic band it all around it, putting it on a weird angle, trying to get it to charge. But I don't recommend doing that. You'll put a lot of stress on your charge port and on the charge cord itself, and you can risk damaging your phone. I get people almost every day coming in because their charge port is too tight or too loose and it doesn't charge. You can see right here, if I could bring it up close enough for you, there's a little bit of a gap there and it wiggles. And this is just caused from lint and dirt in your charge port from putting it in your pocket. And it's super easy to fix. It only takes me a couple of seconds, and we don't even charge for this at Your Repair Depot. Let me show you how quick and easy it is for me to get all this dirt and lint out of this charge port and get this phone back charging again. So I don't recommend doing this yourself. There's pins inside that could be easily damaged, and then you risk damaging your phone even further. And as you can see, there's lint there. You'd be surprised how much lint can actually fit in a charge port. There's in there. Put that down on the ground. We'll check that out after. There's more. Another one. You seen that? And now watch this. Man. Charges up. You can see that there. Oh, I can't see the charging screen. Well, there it is. It's on. So that's how quick and easy it is. Clean out the charging port. It only takes us a couple of seconds, and we don't charge for it. Come down and see us at the shop. If you've got this problem, we can fix up your phone for you and get you back to 100% in no time. Give us a phone call. Our phone number is 250-871-4541, or stop by our website. It's www.yourrepair.com. Your repair is done right at Your Repair Depot. Thanks for watching.